You're bidding on a model 204 RELS disc and drum brake lathe. This is a Van Norman. In reality, this says RELS, but I think RELS is either owned by Van Norman or Van Norman uses the name RELS. The tooling is all nice and fresh. This came out of a government facility, and it doesn't appear to have ever been used. I can't see any wear marks on it other than it's got some surface oxidation. I'm not saying rust because it's not rust. This is pretty much what you're looking at. These are very accurate machines. Like I say, the item appears to be unused. Comes with the owner's manual. Looks like it was 2004. Is that right? 2004 and April, yeah, 2004. It looks like April 2009, excuse me. Looks like it's only had one inspection. Evidently it was just taken out of service and sitting in a warehouse. Here it says U.S. Government 204 brake lathe, but we know this to be a Van Norman. All right, why don't you turn them on? I don't know too much about these. Turn them on. All right, and then we have a light there that turns on. Okay. And then I think you push this thing down and the wheel starts turning. And then that makes that, and then you can unhook that. That stops going. All right, that's good. This is what it is. This goes in and out. I don't know how to make the arbor draw for the drum. Something to do here. I don't have a clue. Really a unique machine. Very, very nice shape. Like I say, they're claiming that it was fully functional, and it looks like it was unpacked, checked, put into service, and never used. I'll have individual shots. This is what you're bidding on. Good luck bidding.